people, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make fake snow. Huh? That's weird. Anyways, so the first thing that you're going to need is to make sure that you have, something's going on here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that your beads are,
Oh. Sorry, Hope. This snow looks really cool. I want to learn how to make real snow.
You do?
I always wanted to build a snowman. He'll be such a good buddy.
That doesn't even look like a snowman.
Hey, don't be rude. He's right here. It's okay, little buddy. She didn't mean it.
Plus, this is just how to make fake snow.
What? Fake snow? That's no fun. I want to build a snowman out of real snow.
Well, I can't help you there.
Can one of you come help me for a second?
No, I won. You have to go help Eden. Who wants to clean this up?
What do you need, Eden?
Oh, Noah, my hands are kind of full. Could you grab that for me, please? Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Why are you so bummed out, man?
Well, I wanted to make a snowman, and Hope said she only has fake snow, but I needed real snow to make my snowman, and that's why.
Well, actually, I think I might have an idea. I can tweak this weather box that manipulates the density of the atmosphere and can change the weather around it.
Who the what now?
It can make snow.
That's perfect! Now I can make my own snowman!
Not so fast. You can use it, but no matter what,
What?
don't pick two weathers at once. Have fun.
Okay.
He'll be fine. Right?
Okay, it's snow time. Wait, but first. Okay, now I'm ready. Let it snow! Huh? Whoa! This is awesome!
Welcome to Snow Surfing. I'm Brad.
I'm Chad.
Let's rip some tides.
Yeah, man. Yo, Brad, did you see that cool snow surf trick I just did?
Hope! You wanna go play in the snow with my snowman?
No, I don't want to play with your fake snow or your fake snowman because I've been playing with fake snow for hours. Besides, I've been watching watching real snow surfers on YouTube.
Snow surfing?
Yeah, they've been surfing down huge mountains of snow. It's awesome.
Yeah, it does sound awesome.
Snow gnarly.
Snarling!
Yeah!
Yeah, you wanna see? Noah?
Dude, look out! It's a snow shark!
Whoa! No! A snow shark?
Dude, is it Eskimo Ahab?
I really want to be a snow surfer, but I need more snow. Maybe I can push all the buttons at once. That should give me more snow. But Eden said not to. What can go wrong? It stopped snowing.
What's going on? Noah, what did you do?
Hey, Eden and Hope, I just wanted more snow, so I hit all the buttons. So then it got frozen.
I told you not to push all the buttons! The neighborhood's frozen over! It's time for a plan! Noah, you go try to help the neighbors while I think this through! Go, go, go! We can't melt it! We need some insane heat! Something like fire! Noah! Noah, we have a plan! We're all gonna use our rings to blast it at the same time! SuperHeroKids, go!
That was my favorite machine.
Sorry, Eden.
I wish I filmed this whole thing.
This is why you need to listen to me the next time I tell you not to do something.
Oh, guys, did you hear?
That my machine was broken?
Hear what?
We got new SuperHeroKids hats!
Whoa, that's so awesome. Let's go look.
I know, they have all our Power Ring colors on them. They're so cool. And it has
That is pretty cool.
We have a super secret announcement.
Our SuperHeroKids shirts are now available in stores. Click the link right here.
Slow-mo. Make sure to check it.
Make sure.
Fast forward, like and subscribe.
Click right here to see another SuperHeroKids video.
See you there.
Pause!
Oh, come out.
I'm fine.